how should I structure ad groups inside my Amazon PPC campaigns? So when it comes down to Amazon ads, the best way to structure ad groups is have the one campaign and the one ad group inside. Reason for that is because when it comes down to ad groups, you cannot divide budget on the ad group level. Therefore, we like to have the one campaign and then the one ad group inside. Of course, you can say if you want to test maybe creatives like videos for sponsored brand, you can have 2 ad groups inside. The first one would be creative 1, the second one would be creative 2, and then allocate them the same amount of time to see which one performs better. So then you would have 2 ad groups because you have 2 different creatives, but you're running ads for the same keywords. But those are the 2 instances when I'm saying, okay, in this case, you should have the one ad group besides one campaign, and then in that scenario where you would be A/B testing, you can have multiple ad groups. If it's not these 2 cases, I would never have more than one ad group per campaign.